Hello guys, my name is Charanjit. Today I am recording this video to present this cool quiz application which you can see on the screen. Let's talk about the technologies first. What all technologies I have used to develop this project? I have used Django and JavaScript for backend, HTML for frontend and also Bootstrap to give style to my application and make it responsive. Little bit of CSS to override Bootstrap styling classes. By the way, this is my first video on YouTube. I hope you all will like my project. So without losing any more time, let's walk through the project and see what all features does this application has. This is the home page of the quiz application. Home page is divided into three sections. Top and first section contains an introduction. Second and middle section contains quiz topics. Third and the last section is a footer. Let's try out giving a test. I will go with Python first. After clicking on the Python, I have been redirected to the another page where there are certain rules defined. Let's read out these rules. First, there will be total 10 questions. Second, each correct answer carries 10 points. Third, no point reduction for incorrect answer. Fourth, once you select your answer, it can't be undone. Fifth, you can't exit from the quiz while playing. Sixth, if you try to refresh the page, you will be redirected to home page. So now this page is asking us to provide our name. I will try first without providing any data. Oh, it's a required field. We cannot go further without providing our name. So I will provide my name here, Charanjit. So I will start with the test now. So this is how our test page looks like. As you can see, the next button is disabled. If I try to click on next button, nothing will happen, which means we cannot move further without selecting an option. As I click on one of the options, the next button have been enabled and styling of the options have been changed. The options with green outline is correct and the red ones are incorrect. If I try to change my answer, then it won't allow me as all the option button have been disabled. Now we can move further to the next question. I will straightforwardly go to the last question by giving all the incorrect answer. We have arrived on the last question. Here on the last page there is a submit button instead of the next. I will choose an option and click on the submit button. This is how the result page will look like when a user fails the test. Now let's try giving out the same test again, and this time we will select all the correct answer. So this is how the result page will look if a user passes test. Isn't this image looks good? Now we will try out giving some another test. Let's go to the home page. This time I will go for Java. We have to follow same procedure as we did for Python. This is giving me an error message as this topic doesn't have enough questions. We will check what will happen if a user tries to refresh the page during a quiz test. After giving answer of the first question, I am clicking on the refresh button. So it has redirected me to the home page with the error message. So let's check what will happen if I try to access the test page through the URL. First, we need to copy the URL and then come back to the home page. See, it won't redirect me to the test page. We have to follow the same procedure every time to give the test. The same happens if we try to access the result page. Let's now go to the admin interface. Django comes with an inbuilt admin interface. Here we require to enter our username and password to log in. If it is incorrect, then it will display an error message. Here an admin can insert questions, answers and their options by clicking on this add question and answer button. We have to enter subject, question, these four options and answer. And even we can insert question answer through importing the files. We have to browse for the file, select the appropriate format of the file and just simply click on the submit button. Even we can export all these questions to a file by selecting the format of the file and clicking on the submit button. So here a pop-up will appear and then click on the OK button. So that's it guys, this was all the feature of this quiz application. I hope you enjoy watching this project. If anyone is interested in this project, he or she can simply mail me on the given email ID in the description. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye bye.